Hello student, I am Kuldeep, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Baijnath Chaudhary Government College for Women, Nagal Chaudhary. Today we will discuss about the alkene. In alkene, we will study about introduction of alkene, physical properties of alkene, method of preparation of alkene, and reactivity of alkene and reactions of alkenes. First of all, we discuss about the alkanes. Introduction of alkane. Alkanes are also called as olefins. Contain at least one carbon-carbon double bond. General form of alkene is CnH2n. Here N will be 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Alkene also classified as the unsaturated hydrocarbons. What are unsaturated hydrocarbons? Unsaturated hydrocarbons are those compounds which contain double bond or triple bond between carbon-carbon and enable them to add hydrogen atom. Alkenes are sp2 hybridized, for example, ethylene, CH2 double bond, CH2. Here both alkene are sp2 hybridized. Now we will discuss about the physical properties of alkanes. Here physical property of alkanes, we study about solubility, melting and boiling point, density, electrical conductivity. Solubility, as we know, like dissolved in like. So here these alkanes are dissolved in organic solvent but insoluble in water. Melting and boiling point, low melting and boiling point, electric conductivity, cannot conduct electricity because there are no free moving ions. Density, less dense than water. Now we will discuss about in detail physical properties of alkene, boiling point and density. Most physical properties of alkene are similar to those of alkanes. For example, the boiling point of 1-butene and cis-2-butene, trans-2-butene and N-butene are close to 0 degrees centigrade. Density of alkenes around 0.6 or 0.7 gram per centimeter cube. Boiling point of alkenes increase smoothly with molecular weight. Increased branching leads to greater volatility and lower the boiling point of alkenes. Now we discuss about polarity. Relatively, alkenes are non-polar, insoluble in water but soluble in non-polar solvents such as hexane, gasoline, halogenated solvent and ethers. Slightly more polar than alkanes because electrons in the pi bond is more polarizable, contributing in instantaneous dipole moment. The vinylic bond tends to be slightly polar, contributing to a permanent dipole moment. Alkyl group are electron donating towards the double bond, helping to stabilize it. This donating slightly polarize the vinylic bond with small partial positive charge on the alkyl group and a small negative charge on the double bond carbon atom. For example, propane has a small dipole moment of 0.35 d. Here, this dipole moment due to the vinylic bond. In cis-2-butene, cis-disubstituted alkene, the vector sum of the two dipole moment is directly perpendicular to the double bond. In trans-disubstituted alkene, the two dipole moments tend to cancel out. If an alkane is symmetrically trans-disubstituted, the dipole moment is 0. Here we can see in the picture. Preparation of alkenes. Alkenes can be prepared in the following ways. For first of step, dehydration of alcohol. Here RCH2 CH2OH in presence of concentrated H2SO4 or on heat, this convert into alkane and other byproduct is water molecule. Second process is dehydrohalogenation of haloalkanes. Here RCH2 CH2X in presence of NaOH and ethanol on refluxing convert into alkane. NaOH can be replaced by KOH here. In both the reaction, here we see that a Sadjev rule, a reaction that produce an alkane would favor the formation of alkane that has the greatest number of substituent attached to the carbon double bond carbon group. Dehydration of alcohol. Here we saw that 2-butanol. Here the OH group attached to the second number of carbon, and OH and hydrogen of here we see that the two product can form. In first product, if OH of second carbon and hydrogen of first carbon are removed, then the formation of 1-butene. In second product, if OH of second carbon and hydrogen of third carbon are form water molecule, then 2-butene product form, or which is major product, because here in second product the alkane is more substituted. In dehydrohalogenation of alkane, similar Sargent rule is applicable. Here we saw that the two product are formed, one is 2-butene and another is 1-butene, and we saw that 2-butene is major product because here alkene contain the more substituent, hence we can say that the more substituted alkene is major product. Reactivity of alkanes. More reactivity than alkanes because a carbon-carbon double bond consists of a sigma and a pi bond. It is easy to break the pi bond while the sigma bond remain intact. The pi electron in the double bond act as a source of electron as Lewis base. Alkanes are reactive towards electrophile which are attracted to the negative charge of the pi electron. Pi bond will broken, each carbon atom become an active site which can form a new covalent bond with another atom. One pi bond is converted into second sigma bond. Reactions of alkanes. First reaction we study catalytical hydrogenation. Hydrogenation, addition of hydrogen to a double bond and triple bond to yield saturated product. Alkane will combine with hydrogen in presence of catalyst to form alkanes. Here we saw that in alkene, on addition of hydrogen in presence of catalyst platinum or palladium at temperature 25 degree centigrade to 90 degree centigrade, both hydrogen attached to the double bonded carbon. Here nickel can also be used as catalyst, but a higher temperature of 140 degree centigrade to 200 centigrade is needed in case of nickel as used as catalyst. For example, ethylene. In ethylene, hydrogenation in presence of platinum at low pressure, formation of ethane. In hexane, on hydrogenation, formation of hexane. Addition of halogens. For addition of halogen in inert solvent, alkenes react with halogens at room temperature and in dark. The halogens is usually dissolved in inert solvents such as dichloromethane and tetrachloromethane. Iodine will not react with alkanes because it is less reactive than the chlorine and bromine. Fluorine is very reactive. This reaction will produce explosion. In halogenation, here we see in the example both the halogen attached to the double bonded carbon. Inert solvent required should be CCl4 and CS2Cl2. For example, ethane on halogenous bromination converted into 1,2-dibromoethane. The red-brown color of bromine solution will fade and the solution become colorless. In case of cyclohexene on bromination, in presence of inert solvent CCl4, 1,2-dibromocyclohexane form. In case of propane on halogenation, in presence of CCl4, it converted into 1,2-dichloropropane. Addition of halogens. Second, in water or aqueous medium, chlorine dissolved in water to form HCl and chloric acid. As chlorine dissolved in H2, it forms HCl or chloric acid. Same as bromine, it dissolved in water to form HBr and bromic acid. Reaction of alkenes with halogen in water. Example, chlorine water and bromine water produce halohydrines and alcohol with a halogen on the adjacent carbon atom. For example, CS propene on bromination as in presence of H2O form 1 bromo 2 propanol as major product and 1 2 dibromopropane as minor product. Bromine atom attached to the carbon atom of the double bond which has the greater number of hydrogen atom. Here in case of 1-butene chlorination S2, in presence of H2O 1 chloro 2 butanol form. Addition of hydrogen halides. Addition reaction with electrophilic reagent. Alkenes react with hydrogen halides in gaseous state or in aqueous solution to form addition product. The hydrogen and halogen atom add across the double bond to form haloalkanes or alkyl halide. General equation is alkene in react with HX to form the haloalkanes. Reactivity of hydrogen halides is HF reactivity is lower than HCl and HBr reactivity greater than HCl and most reactive is HI. Reaction with HCl needs a catalyst such as AlCl3. Here CS2 double bond CS2 react with HCl in presence of AlCl3 to form the CS3CS2Cl ethyl chloride. Next example is cyclopentane reaction with HI to form the iodocyclopentane. In case of 2-butene reaction with HBr to form the 2-bromobutane. Marconi rule, there are two possible products when hydrogen halide react with an unsymmetrical alkene. It is because hydrogen halide molecule can add to the carbon double bond with in two different ways. Here in first case the hydrogen attached to the second carbon, and in the next case hydrogen attached with the first carbon. Here we saw that 1 iodopropane form in first case and 2 iodopropane form in second case, which is more stable and major product of this reaction. Markovnikov rule said that the addition of HX to an unsymmetrical alkane, the hydrogen atom attach itself to the carbon atom of the double bond with larger number of hydrogen atoms. Thanks to dear student. We will later discuss about alkanes. Thanks.